My favourite piece to judge was probably the Stumpwork LP. I think records or graphic art on albums, there wasn't a lot in there, which was a bit of a shame, but actually this one, when you first see the piece, was quite visually arresting, and it actually really evoked something in each of the judges, some good, some bad. And actually the more that we opened it and the more the journey through and the record sleeves and the way that we started to kind of unravel the story through it, it just became even better and better. I think it pushes it forward in a way that it's a nice reminder of graphic record sleeves are something that's not necessarily, it wasn't a huge amount of entries. So I think actually for me, it was really nice to still see classic graphic design pieces in there, and it wasn't just about all the digital stuff. That stuff was great, but actually for me, seeing the real tangible, it's the reason that I got into graphic design. It's the album covers was something that I really loved. So yeah, for me it was probably more of like a real nod back to the stuff that made me love graphic design in the first place.